Ever wondered why some AI systems feel like magic boxes? You input data and suddenly they spit out answers, but no one really knows how they decide. That's the black box problem. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking approach called Holistic Explainable AI, or HXAI. That's changing how we understand and trust artificial intelligence. Let's start with the basics. Traditional AI explainability tools focus on what the model predicts, like why a loan application was rejected. But here's the catch: they ignore the bigger picture. Think of it like judging a recipe only by the final dish, not the ingredients, measurements, or even the chef's experience. Real-world AI decisions depend on all these steps: data quality, model training, and how results are communicated. HXAI flips the script. It's not just about explaining the end result. It's about making every stage of the AI process transparent. Imagine a framework that breaks down the workflow into 6 key parts. 1. Data, where the information comes from. 2. Analysis setup, how the problem is defined. 3. Learning process, how the model learns. 4. Model output, what it predicts. 5. Model quality, how reliable those predictions are. 6. Communication, how insights are shared with users. This isn't just a list. It's a roadmap for building trust. For example, if a doctor uses an AI to diagnose a patient, HXAI ensures they understand why the model flagged a symptom, whether it's because of biased data, unclear assumptions, or something else. But how do you make all this work? The researchers behind HXAI didn't stop at theory. They created a question bank to capture what different users, like engineers, doctors, or business leaders, really need to know. Think of it as a checklist for transparency, highlighting gaps in current tools. Here's where it gets really cool. They're using AI agents like advanced chatbots to turn technical jargon into plain language. Picture this: a data scientist explains a model's flaws, and an AI agent translates that into a story a CEO can grasp. No more black boxes, just clear, actionable insights. Why does this matter? Because trust isn't just about accuracy, it's about understanding. When AI systems are transparent, we can spot biases, fix errors, and make better decisions. HXAI isn't just a tool, it's a bridge between humans and machines. So next time you interact with an AI, remember, the future isn't just about smarter systems. It's about systems we can see through. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and let's keep making AI work for everyone. Imagine you've trained a robot to spot cats in photos. Cool, right? But here's the tricky part. How do you know it's really learning to recognize cats, and not just cheating by memorizing the exact pictures it saw during training? That's where cross-validation steps in, like giving your AI a series of pop quizzes with brand new images each time. It's the difference between a student who crams for one test versus one who studies multiple practice exams. By testing the model on different data, we make sure it's picking up patterns, not just rote memory. But here's the next big question. Even if the AI is right, can we trust it? Let's say an AI tells a doctor, this patient has cancer. Would you feel safe if it didn't explain why? That's where explainable AI, or XAI, comes in. Techniques like Grad-CAM act like a spotlight, highlighting exactly what parts of an image or data the AI focused on. It's like the AI pointing to a suspicious spot on an X-ray and saying, look here, this is why I'm worried. This transparency turns AI from a mysterious black box into a collaborative tool we can actually understand. So AutoML builds smarter models, cross-validation keeps them honest, and XAI makes sure we understand them. Together, they're not just making AI powerful, they're making it trustworthy. And that's just the beginning. Stick around, because the next part is even more exciting.